everyone, welcome to Tarot Tutorials. Once again, I have come up with another card, the Star, 17th number card of the Major Arcana. So, when you will see the Star card, what we feel, as usual, feeling comes of wish fulfillment, because what happens, we look at the stars and we ask for our wish fulfillment. So here in the picture you see there is one big star and the small stars over here, right? There is a naked lady who is pouring water from two pitchers. Here you see this is one and this is the another. So earlier we had learned wherever the naked pictures we are seeing, it is nothing but it shows its purity and divinity. And here the big star, it shows this person only, the shining star, the big star. So energy. Now here in this star card we are talking about the energy. This is the energy. This is not a person, this is the energy, a positive energy. Here this energy has shown in a human form so that we can easily connect with the card. Why they had shown the human form? It is nothing but visual form of energy or purpose that is used in our history and magic or religion. Earlier what was happening, you need a image to connect with. So this is what in our history also it has happened. You need an image to connect with. So this is the reason human form here in the card it is appearing a star energy, right? So here when we see what we are seeing, she is pouring water in two different places. But actually she is not pouring water. She is working like a bridge here. So she is pouring water here also. So she is working as a bridge who is allowing to go water here also and on the earth also. So it shows the spiritual, the water and the earth realm, which shows here this energy is nurturing the earth also and the spiritual area also. So in ancient history, when you'll just look for, you will be heard the name of the goddess Hecate. Hecate is known as the earth goddess, the goddess of magic. So when we just talk about star, we are talking about wish fulfillment. So we are talking about magic. We are talking about something magical will happen and our wish will get fulfilled. So this card represents hope. Magic is required. It is a prayer time. You need to connect with the divine, how she is bridging with spiritual and the earth realm. So you need to connect with the divine. You need divine's help, support, faith. This card shows the faith also. You should be having faith on the situation or on the people. It is a card of wish fulfillment. Earlier we had learned. And sometimes it shows your spiritual connection also. So this is the card, the star card. This actually shows our wish fulfillment and our hope. We need to be very positive for the situation or for the outcome. There is probability the result is going to be, if you are expecting 100%, you will get 50%. Why here I am saying that? Because here you see she is distributing this water, this energy or her blessings equally for the earth also and for the water also. So she is creating the balance also. So you have to ask for the balanced result. If you are expecting, you have not put much effort and you are expecting you are going to get more result, that for that definitely you have to depend on the magic. But here it shows, this energy shows, yes, you need to be hopeful, but whatever you are just giving to the earth, or whatever you are giving, that much you are going to get back. That much only the God is going to give you. You should not forget, she is the earth goddess, and she is the goddess of magic also. So during the magic, we used to invoke the goddess Hecate also sometimes, a very good goddess to connect with. She is very helpful. Connect with the nature, because she likes nature most. That is what she is called as earth goddess. And your wish, whatever you are expecting, that you are going to get that. But again, the goddess again it will expect, the goddess again it expects from you, you are also honest. So if you are not honest, later on the goddess is going to take back from you whatever is not yours. So make sure you are also like this only. You should work like a bridge, so that you are putting here your effort. So from other side, from earth, you are going to get back your result, right? So this is the meaning of the card. This is the my type of meaning. You may create your own meaning. So if you have liked the video, please like and subscribe my channel, so that I can bring more videos for you people. You can learn more, and all the very best. Bye bye.